Do you wonder what genre your writing piece belongs to? Suspense or thriller? Well, I have your answer here. In this video, I'll be explaining what the differences between suspense and thriller are. So let's start off with suspense. Suspense has the slowest pace with tension gradually building to the climax. If you need to know what climax is, I'll have the video right here that you're going to click on in the right-hand corner. So let's jump right back into the video. Thriller. Thriller is a fast-paced and centers around what happens after the danger has been established. Think of it this way. Suspense is like waiting for the shoe to drop throughout the film, right? Or throughout your book. Thriller is like the sequence after the shoe has already dropped. So you get all that action and all the scary stuff and knowing who the villain is. If you're enjoying this content, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so I can continue giving you guys tips and tricks to writing a successful story. So let's jump back into the video. So let's dive deeper into suspense. Suspense is a story that slowly generates feelings of anxiety, anticipation, and uncertainty in the audience or the reader. Here are some of the common elements that you'll find in suspense. It's slow-paced, heightened anticipation, and the audience usually knows more than the character, and there's always dramatic music. So let's look closer into thriller. Thriller is a fast-paced, gripping, plot-centered story. It usually has the protagonist in danger from the outset, from the beginning. Usually involves a major threat or an attempt to prevent something from occurring. And some of the common elements is fast-paced, action scenes, plot twist, prominent villains, and ticking clock timing. Both genres do incorporate each other in both books or writings because without suspense, you wouldn't have the anxiety, but also without a suspense in a thriller, you wouldn't build up that anticipation for the feelings of uncertainty. So they can both be utilized in each other. And that's because they both take you on a roller coaster ride that will leave you on the edge of your seat. If you want to know more about the story plot arc, I have a playlist right here so you can go over what resolution is and what climax is. And if you want to check out characterizations, I have a video right here about how to develop a character. I appreciate you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys on my next video. Thanks, guys.